Have you ever imagined how cool it would be if you added high-tech car gadgets to your collections? Or if you own an old model of your preferred auto or a base model, do you know you have numerous choices to turn your car cool? If not, then why wait? Here are some cool car gadgets to help you comfort your driving attitude. 1. Sony XAV AX8100. This receiver's 8.95-inch touchscreen will push you to think you have taped an iPad mini to the dash. The Sony XAV AX8100 fits in a single DIN opening, which is only a couple inches tall, found in aged cars. Of course, it has all the crazy features you would expect in a head unit. Bluetooth, Sirius XM, HDMI input, rear camera support, MP3s playback, support for wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and it can do a web link cast to mirror what's on your smartphone screen. There is even a wireless remote if you are not close to the dash. The only thing it would not do is play CDs. 2. Pioneer DMH WC5700NEX. This Pioneer digital media reliever suits in a standard double DIN height pit in your car dash, perfect for enhancements on most modern cars. And what a touch-up you get with a 6.8-inch touchscreen that simultaneously delivers Bluetooth connectivity for two phones and wired or wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It even sustains Amazon's Alexa Smart Assistant in the vehicle. This is a top preference for 2022 by the audio experts at Crutchfield. 3. Retro Manufacturing Hermosa Radio. Do you desire a traditional look for the radio of your definitive car, but with a few trendy digital amenities hidden within? Retro Manufacturing offers exactly that. This Hermosa offers push-button tuning for AM and FM radio, but also privately adds Bluetooth support and USB input for flash drives full of music files. The current Hermosa model is assembled for certain 1960s Chevrolet prototypes, but you can find many more alternatives online. 4. Carlin Kit 4.0 Wireless Adapter. Are you frustrated with constantly plugging your phone into the Auto to utilize Apple's CarPlay or Google's Android Auto? Sometimes you do not desire your phone to charge. Occasionally the link is poor. It should be like Bluetooth, with no wires required, and in some conveyances with wireless CarPlay, that is the case. If your car only sustains wired CarPlay or Android Auto, the Carlin Kit 4.0 wireless adapter can change that. It is a lot to pay for a wireless dongle, but considering the hassle it eliminates, if you spend enough time in the car, it may be worth it. 5. DriveLink CarPlay Wireless Adapter. Another adapter that turns your car's wired CarPlay to wireless. The DriveLink unit works on any vehicle with CarPlay that's from the model year 2018 forward. It will need Bluetooth for an initial connection, which is used to send 5 GHz Wi-Fi credentials to the iPhone, so a connection after that is automatic. If you want a dongle that supports only Android Auto, consider the $89 USD Cars iFi. 6. ROAV Viva by Anker. Make your dopey car a little dapper with the ROAV Viva from Anker. Plug it into the cigarette lighter, and you do not just get a tandem of USB-A ports for charging. Still, your car also has an Amazon Alexa assistant inside that you can use to control things, even CarPlay and Android Auto. If you desire some more power, get the ROAV Viva Pro. It has better microphones and aid for audio that spreads to the auxiliary inputs and even FM radio. 7. Amazon Echo Auto. The Amazon Echo Auto lets you bear the Alexa voice aid along for the ride. It is a nondescript apparatus that plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet or via a USB port if you hold one. It connects to your phone's Alexa app to furnish every voice-activated assistance your homebound Echo does, including news, sports scores, shopping lists, and music streaming. 8. Cobra Dual Pro 360-degree radar detector. Does $400 USD seem like a lot to spend on a radar detector? Compare that with the speeding tickets you could avoid. Suddenly, that price becomes a bargain. Cobra's Dual Pro 360-degree gets that moniker because it looks for radar and lasers around your car, using arrows to indicate the source and voice alerts to keep you informed. Proprietors can become part of a crowdsourced caution grid of other drivers reporting speed traps. The magnetic windshield mount makes it easy to take in and out as needed. 9. Pioneer VREC DH300D. Pioneer's dual recording dash cams for the facade and rear pick 1440p video at a 135-degree field of view up front and 1080p and 128 degrees in the rear. The front cam models a nice 3-inch LCD for recording and playback. The design features Sony Starvis sensors for precise picture and night vision. The integrated motion detector captures 20 seconds of video before and after any bump incident, just in case. It even arrives with a 16GB micro SD card for seizing videotape. 10. Hum Plus Gen 2 by Verizon. With the Verizon Hum Plus Gen 2, you get an OBD2 dongle, a Bluetooth speakerphone and controller to clip to the visor, and a USB charger to plug into the DC power receptacle. It is like a user-friendly replacement for OnStar. It detects crashes and airbag deployments, and with built-in Verizon cellular service, it can make calls for emergency services and even relay info to the cops if your car is stolen. Naturally, it has mobile apps to keep track of info from the OBD2 port, but it also helps you find your car in giant parking lots and offers maintenance reminders. It is $99 USD plus $10 USD monthly after a $35 USD activation fee. Optionally, you can get the Hum X Gen 2, which is the same but includes an in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot and a speaker. Both support using Google Assistant right in the car. What would be the best purchase for you? Which one of these gadgets would suit you better for your needs? Comment below if we missed any amazing gadgets or car accessories that you own or wish to have. Until then, adios.